Lights, camera, and action.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Our names are
Samuel, Mateo, and Alejandro.
we are doing an English project for the English class. Can we ask you some questions?
Yes, you can.
Did you used to be lazy?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Did you used to be fast in PE?
Yes, I passed.
Did you used to be scared of cemeteries?
Yes, I was.
Did you used to be lazy?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Did you used to study?
I never studied.
Okay. Were you good at science?
Yes, I was.
Were you good at math?
Yes, I was.
We have finished. Can we go?
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.